For me also it's a very good news. I think it's very important in the way, maybe in the way I think, maybe another manager can think in another way, but for me it's very important for that all our players can be in the national squad. Yaya will play the Africa Cup. It's important for him, for his country, so we are very happy that he qualified. I think it's better when the player has a good successful with their national squad when they lost and they eliminated, so that's good for Yaya. And we'll see in January when he will not be here, what we are going to do.
Can I just ask about Yaya? Do you know how long he's going to be away in January? Is he going to go to a training camp prior to the competition?
We'll see. We know that he must go in January, middle of January he must go, but it depends also how longer Ivory Coast stays in the Africa Cup. So. But we have a squad, and we are sure that we are going to replace Yaya as it's the same way he was injured 3 or 4 games. So I hope that we are not going to have problem in that sense.